15 and I'm not a killer. They frame me for murder, condemn me to life in furnace, an underground penitentiary built for young felons. The prison is a place of pure evil, a place ruled by murderous gangs and thug guards, a place where horrific creatures come out of the dead of night to steal you away, where human creatures in gas masks stalk the corridors at night, where giants in black suits drag screaming inmates into the shadows, where deformed beasts can be heard howling from the blood-drenched tunnels, a place where the impossible, escape, is your only hope.